Okay, subtracting polynomials. Take away, yeah, that's what we're going to do, take away. Now this time you see that minus right there? That applies to all three of these second term trinomials here. So what I'm going to do, I can do this here first. I personally, like, you can do this following here. Now this is the vertical particular method, which I do like because of how I have my x squares lined up, my x's and my constants or numbers. But this minus is here. Notice it's in parentheses. That's because this negative doesn't just go to x squared, it goes to all three of these. So what I did was I took this and I changed it to addition by changing this sign from positive to negative, the negative 4 to a positive 4, and the positive 1 to a negative 1. Now I can just add them. I like doing this. So as you can see right here, that if you subtract each of these, but I like to look over here, this 2 minus the x makes 1x squared. This 1x plus 4x makes 5x. And then negative 4 minus 5 is negative 5. I didn't even talk about this one because to me it's very difficult. First off, most people get this right. They do 2 minus 1 and get this one. But where people mess up is they forget that this is a positive x minus a negative 4, which is like a positive 4. That's why I kind of write this out over here. And this is a negative 4 minus a positive 1, which is why you get a negative 5, or negative 4 plus negative 1. I like this a whole lot better than particularly that. Now, also there's the horizontal method where I take this 2x squared and I minus the x squared. And this is an x minus negative 4x, which means I'm really going to add it to get a 5x. And here there's this negative 4 minus positive 1, which makes a negative 5. Once again, you can do any one of these methods. I personally like to do this with this particular part right here. I like to change things to addition. I will sometimes compare and change this to addition right there. Now this is here showing it. These are the blocks for this first trinomial. Now the second trinomial, these are the blocks for it. Notice it's a positive, a negative, and a positive, but we're going to subtract them, which means I'm going to then flip all my signs, right? And as I flipped all the signs, right? Actually, I need to flip the signs. And I think this part here shouldn't have popped up yet, because these 2 minus this 1 makes 1. Let me see here. There we go. Here we go. So now I said 2 blocks popped up there. They cancel out to make the x squared. That's where I have the 5x's and the minus 5 of those after I flipped all those particular signs.